YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime wardrobe to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. They got Father's Day sale going on right now, Memorial Day sale, bunch of sales. All you gotta do is click the link, add it to your cart, and check out. Prime wardrobe is really cool. You get 7 days to try it on, see if they fit. If you don't like it, send it back and they won't charge you for it. It's really easy to do. Returns are simple. And pretty much that's it. All you gotta do is, like I said, click that link and just pick out a few items or whatnot for this Father's Day coming up. So my fathers are passed away and stuff like that, so it's alright. We are here, and then so like I said, just take a look, see what other shoes, clothing, pants. You never know. They got a lot of stuff though, and like I said, you can try it out for 7 days, and if you like it, send it back. And here we go. All right, you got shirt number 1. A nice little dress shirt for a night out of town, maybe casino night. Nice stitching, Van Housen. Hey, kind of like Danhausen. And we got one of these. I think these are normal Lee. Kind of like a golf shirt type deal. In case you're going to all white parties, type like that. Really good one. And this one, oh, we got a Champion. Let me know what Champion is. Good material right there. Kind of like a jersey t-shirt style. Maybe for a fishing trip or, you know, night out. Here's another. Another set of clothing. T-shirt time. Kind of like a dress shirt. Casino night or whatever. Bar night. Khaki. That right there. Here's another Champion. And another shirt. Wrangler. So really nice. And let's check them out, guys. Here's another one. We'll open up. Be a short video. But I had to get these out there before the sale ends. So definitely click that link. And check out the huge savings they got going on. And there we go. It's not too bad. Dubink. There we go. Alright, so like I said, give it a try. You get 7 days to try it out. If you like it, keep it. If you don't like it, send it back. So there you go. Alright, YouTubers. Be safe. Have a good night.